Listen, you f***ing bitch, let me get on with this intro. So, time to detail the RWB, not even detail, it's a maintenance wash, what am I on about? Come and watch how filthy this is. This literally went to tucked. Wait, when was the last time I cleaned this? Culture shock. And I've probably done like 1,000 miles in it since then. So very dirty, tucked at the manor was very dusty. Lots of stone chips, lots of dirt. It just, my baby needs a wash. Right, let's do it. Oh my God, it's so hot. Mate, that's gonna stain. Right, we'll rinse it down first, cool down the panels, and then go into snow foam, 2-bucket method, wash it, snow foam it, shampoo it, ceramic boost it, drying towel, bit of quick detailer, make it look nice and glossy for a Waxstock, Woodstock. Let's go. Oh, and the wheels as well. Let me pull this out. That's why you gotta be strong as a detailer. Right, now you're probably wondering, is there a difference, like, because it's an RWB, do you have to wash it any differently? Yes. Okay, so typically with the detail, I start with the wheels, wheel and tyre cleaner, the new pump spray, foam it on. Now there's a coating on those wheels, so I don't really need to worry about brushing it that much. That wheel cleaner and the pressure of the pressure washer blasts off like 99% of the dirt. Gotta pump it up. Oh. Because I wasn't watching what I was doing. That's why we always have Schweppes on site. Radioactive! Radioactive! Is that Imagine Dragons? It was, wasn't it? C'est la vie. Might as well do the back one as well. Deep dish problems, am I right?
Deep dish pizza. That's a frosted Chicago pizza.
Chicago pizza, I think is shy. I'm just saying, oh no, I'm on about like a proper Chicago pizza. The deep dish pie things. Yeah. It's like a pie thing, isn't it? Next thing is going to be snow foam. I'm not going to bother with citrus pea wash, it's not really that dirty. So snow foam, then we'll just do shampoo, rinse, boost, rinse, towel, quick detailer. That's it really. This is one of our more casual videos. Top tip, always fill the water first so it doesn't go all foamy when you fill in the water with snow foam first. Water first and then the snow foam after. So 700 ml of water, 750 ml, and then 150, 200 ml of snow foam. That's the typical ratio, and it should be good. I could pour the snow foam in without bending over.
That looks so fucking weird.
I do need to bend over to put the head on though. That's what she said. It happened again. Connect everything up to the pressure washer, snow foam the entire vehicle, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse it off, and then we should be golden. All good. All good? All good. That's the snow foam on there, now it's time to rinse it off. Just a little bit of grease required on the wheels there. Time for... Lost all motivation. Right, 2 bucket method now. Have we got shampoo? That's the real question. Does the manufacturer have some shampoo? No, it doesn't. Let me get some shampoo. So a couple of glugs of shampoo into the bucket. Oh, that's a bit too much, but never mind. And then foam this up. Oh, lovely. So generally, when I'm washing the car with a wash mitt, I like to generally think of my mental health, think how I'm doing, think what's going on, what work I've got to get on with. So it's a good chance just to sit and relax and really think about, where you're going in life or where you're not going in life. And really get one-on-one with yourself. Obviously, it's a bit hard if you've got like 2 losers that stood with you. Finish off the detail with a little ceramic post. I don't even think I've got enough. Oh yeah, that's plenty. This is what my piss looks like after I've drank a ton of Pepsi and no water for a week. Right, it's a cool day. Sun's not out, so I'm just gonna coat the entire car with some boost and then rinse off the entire car. Come on. Come on. Right, so we just finished off the contact wash, bit of ceramic boost, top up that ceramic coating, a bit of rinse aid there, help me with the drying process. Now, a very good smart hack is a bit of quick detailer on the surface as you're drying the car, boost that f***ing gloss. Doesn't have to be in the pump spare, but it helps. A couple of pumps, just a little amount, you don't need a lot, over the surface. Okay, so just like a little bit over the car and then just dry it like you would. That was sick. Tell you what, man, they don't make drying towels like these anymore. I mean, they do. It works. Grab one of the famous Jams detailing drying towel. There, car's dry. Now, that is pretty much how I prepare a car for a show or well, anything that requires a maintenance wash. The real hack is in the exterior detailer, last minute gloss, and makes it look super glossy. Now, those of you with eagle eyes will probably notice all these stone chips road rash down here where it is literally peppered. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of these with a bit of paint and not having to paint the entire sill. Just by being a little bit smart with a bit of paint, and it's quite a cool trick. So stay tuned and watch me get rid of them. That's it.
That's wrong.
That's right.
Is that wrong? Go for that.
Yeah.
No, you're going too forward. You got to go back to the side, but it's at the same spot. To the side.
That is to the side.
No, but you're going like too forward.
Right.
You have to go like.
That's it.
I don't even know what it looks like.
Piece of piss.